What if I told you that the struggles in your life might actually be signs that Allah loves you? Yes, loves you. But we often misunderstand love. We think love means an easy life, no pain, no hardship. But listen carefully. The Prophet ﷺ said, when Allah loves a servant, He tests him. So that difficulty you are facing, the pain you don't understand, might be a sign that Allah is choosing you, not abandoning you. Because Allah does not test everyone, He tests those He wants closer to Him. Think about it. When your heart breaks, where do you go? When everything falls apart, who do you call? You say, Ya Allah. And in that moment, you are closer to Him than ever before. Is not that love? One of the signs Allah loves you is that He guides you back again and again, even after you sin, even after you forget Him, even after you walk away. He still opens the door for you to return. Another sign is when you feel regret after doing wrong, the pain in your chest after a sin. It is not weakness, it's a gift. Because a dead heart feels nothing, but your heart, it still cares, and that means Allah has not left you. Another sign, when Allah delays something you desperately want, you think it's rejection, but what if it's protection? What if Allah sees what you cannot, and Allah is saving you from a pain that you never imagined? Sometimes Allah removes people from your life because they were pulling you away from Him. Sometimes He put you in hardship so you can find Him. And the biggest sign of all is that you are listening to this right now out of millions of people. Allah guided your heart to remember Him in this moment. That's not random, that's love. So stop thinking that Allah has forgotten you. If He did not love you, He would not guide you, He would not forgive you, He would not test you to elevate you. So whatever you are going through, don't see it as the end, see it as a sign that Allah is calling you closer. Because when Allah loves you, He does not just give you this world, He gives you something greater. A heart that finds peace only with time. So hold on, you are more loved by Allah than you can ever imagine.